I remember a funny story regarding our business that happened few years back. The client was talking to me as Mr. Nilesh. At the similar time, the client was talking to Mr. Dinesh. Irrespective of he's talking to Sitlani's, but he was not aware that he's talking to Sitlani's, but he was talking to Mr. Nilesh and he was talking to Mr. Dinesh. So what happened is I gave him some different suggestions regarding this partition system. And Dinesh, if you can say what
I didn't know that he already had a word with Nilesh. So when we were discussing, he was sharing me what he wanted and the kind of space that he wanted to design and the kind of utility that he wanted out of it. Later on, when the client came to know, it came to his knowledge that two different solutions coming from the same company for the same client for the same product.
At the end, he understood that all the solutions that we were offering were perfectly as per his needs, suiting his budget as well. The client was very happy, and still sometimes we laugh when we remember that project. So we consider that as a brother blend project.